Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm a product specialist in Exhibo for Ecler. We are the Italian distributor of Ecler. Here we have the new DARA amplifier. We talk about an amplifier that works both in high and in low impedance, depending on the setting made on the amplifier. And here we have a sneak preview of how the system works. Basically, is a system where we have the access through a browser, so it's okay. It's sufficient if we reach the DSP through IP address. Here we have on the side the Explorer, when we have the main page where we have a sort of dashboard. We have a matrix where we decide the assignment for the input and the output. We have the output with the channel strip, so we have a level, filter fear, EQ, delay, and so on. And as you see, everything is very simple to use. This amplifier, as I said, works both in high and low impedance, because we have this kind of solution where we can decide, thinking about two channel, if the two channel will be in low or in high impedance, but only coupling. And we have also the possibility to use this kind of device through the panels. Here we have the Pulso series. In this case, we have the Pulso 6, that is 5.5 inches. And for example, I can log in through the Pulso, and I can see the panel assigned to myself. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.